And honestly, most of it, like baseball, the way the sport's set up, most of the shit is mental. Because you spend most of your time just fucking standing around. Most of the time, you're not up to bat. You're watching your teammates bat. Most of the time, you're not running the bases. You're watching your teammates run the bases. Most of the time, you're not making the play. You're watching your teammates make the play. So folks are standing around. So it's really just being locked in mentally to not take plays off, take pitches off, take reps off. You got to be mentally locked in the entire time of the game if you want to be an impact player and make the type of impact that's going to help your team win games. Otherwise, shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear nothing about you want to do this, you want to do that. If you can't even lock the fuck in for 250 pitches, I don't want to hear shit. I don't want to hear a goddamn thing. I seriously don't. But yeah, I'm gonna make that baseball channel, and I'm gonna be going in on motherfuckers. Drive your goddamn vehicle. Motherfuckers can't drive. Shit crazy. Should be so crazy. But I don't know. We exiting the E-way, T-way, highway, dash way, money way, whatever you want to call it. We exiting. You got eczema, ugly. Motherfuckers can't wait to make the fucking like exchange when you supposed to. Niggas just gotta do shit they way. Shit crazy. Thought it was 23. My homie that be watching the videos, always looking for the footwork. I mean, I'm pretty sure the way I got it set up, we should be getting some decent footwork. Don't know what we're doing, don't know why we're driving so damn slow. I don't. My nigga, get the fuck out the way if you gonna go that slow. I'll let the window down so y'all could get some crazy sound while I go underneath this tunnel here. I'll crack it a little bit for y'all. Who knows? I might have to chop this up and just throw this here in the first 5-10 seconds, whatever. But yeah, I'm about to dice this. I know you be posted up from Sunday to Saturday night. Ugly. You gonna do the dash if you see them blue lights. Not that crazy of a sound, but decent little sound. Let the windows back up. I like doing that shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Speed limit 40, I'm going about 40. This is how to not get pulled over. Speed limit 40, you go 40. Speed limit 40. Probably running up to about 45, 46. My rule of thumb, 7 miles over, that's when you speeding. Like if I was a police officer, which I could have been, because I majored in criminal justice, but nah, if I was a police officer, I mean, I could have went to the academy and shit, but like, if I was an officer, if you going 6 or under, I'll let you slide. But if you're in like a residential area and you're going 7 or over, bro, that's technically speeding. Because you're at 7, realistically speaking, you push your foot down a little bit more, you're gonna be at 10. So don't wait until they get to 10. That way they fucking push that shit up to 15, 20. No, 7, push it up to 10. That's a nice little buffer. You know what I'm saying? But I don't speed. I don't condone speeding. I'm not the type to speed. I've never really had enjoyment from speeding. But I do get enjoyment from driving the car, obviously. But y'all know what I'm saying. Really just don't drive like a maniac, and you should be straight. Make sure your plate's good. Registration, insurance, all that. Make sure everything's straight. You should be straight. Everything not straight, probably not gonna be straight, bro. Simple math, but simple. Flew to Carolina for a Panther. Judge at number 3AI. Who the S? NC State got a red bone. Got a red bone. Red bone. I ain't never had no red bone. Might say yeah. Come on, Mr. Volvo. Push it to the ugly. See what the gas mileage looking like. I filled up probably like either earlier this week or like end of last week. I think it was the end of last week. But I'm getting 17 miles per gallon. That's pretty standard, I would say. Do it before I had this hoe. Push it up to 148, 150. So y'all comment below. Y'all tell me if y'all feel like he dogged this car out. I mean, I ain't had no issues with it, so I'm gonna say nah, he ain't dogged the car out. And I know for damn sure I ain't dogged this bitch out, so. Y'all comment below. Tell me what I need to get next though. Cause I do need to get some new lights. Cause I ain't got no lights in here right now. I ended up taking them out. I'm gonna get some better quality lights. I think I got some cheap ones off like Amazon for like 20, 30 bucks. I might just have to drop that 140, 150 or whatever on those. Forgot what the brand was, but I got it bookmarked on Safari, so might have to drop a few bones, get them good lights. Actually, I'm gonna check on that today, see what the shipment time looking like. Cause if I could get it early next week, that'd be lovely. But Z Automotive Tage, that whole cost like $250. So I mean, I don't know. Yeah, income tax. Excuse me. The income tax ain't hit yet. So still waiting on that. But yeah, I hope I'm going to the right branch spot. No, I'm playing. I am. Cause I mean, I typed that shit in just as it fucking appeared. But yeah, I'm gonna really just cruise the rest of this video. I ain't gonna say too much. Hope y'all enjoy. Leave your boy a like, comment, subscribe. Shouldn't have to tell you to do that. That should be common sense. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. as I keep cruising. Like this here, I'll never understand why motherfuckers slide and just pull up in your blind spot.